We're on it.
All right.
Minutes, here you
Agenda.
Yeah, okay. All right, we're gonna call, I got it here, thanks. Good. All right, let's call the meeting to order, and let's do a roll call if we could.
Sounds good. Murphy,
Here?
Haynes,
Here.
Matthews,
Yes.
and Lawford.
Here.
Okay, thank you. Do we have anybody that's gonna be testifying, or we can do that later, I guess? Go to old business. It's a continuation of tabled, conditional use applicant CU 25-02.
That's gonna be heard under new business as well.
Right.
It's just that I just needed to mention it old business.
Okay. Do we need to swear anybody in, or
We will.
does that continue from last?
I think we should probably swear the person back in.
Yeah,
Okay.
you
All
need
right.
to swear, yeah.
Mohammed, you wanna swear in yourself in? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he'll help you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll help you repeat it, and Eric, for this. People wishing to testify in this proceeding, please stand and be sworn in. Attorneys are not required to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. All right, and going over the old business, continuation of tabled conditional use applicant CU 25-02. And you want to approve the minutes going on to the new business? We can do the tabling of the BZA minutes
Okay.
to the end of the meeting here.
Yeah, under new business, if we could do that, if we could just continue on to number 2 under old business.
Okay. All right. Let's hear the continual use of the CU 2502. Applicant is Mohammed Abu.
No, I'm sorry, I'm gonna interrupt real quick. I want to go under old business number 2, review dates for 2026 BZA.
That was, I have an eye problem too.
I'm sorry.
Eye problems
Okay.
also.
He wants to approve the calendar.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I make a motion to approve the calendar as presented.
I second it.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. All opposed, same, okay, the calendar is approved then.
Thank you.
We could do the same with the minutes if you just want to throw in it, because we've actually already
Looked at-
reviewed those from
You've
last
already
meeting.
Looked at the minutes then? Okay. Make a motion to approve the minutes then?
I second that motion.
Okay, all in favor?
Aye.
All opposed? Hearing none, it passes, minutes are approved. Okay. Now we go to new business. That was hard, old business was hard. You know, seriously, it's just- I'm appearing nightly at the club at so-and-so, Alzheimer's special or whatever. Okay, let's go with, we reviewed the minutes, okay. I defer to the staff report. Do we need to read that again or do anything with the staff report?
I do have updates and follow-up on that.
Okay. Yield the floor to my esteemed colleague, Eric. Sorry, he's not a colleague, I'm not a colleague.
So this is a continuation of conditional use request CU 25-02. The location of this is 6341 Shoei Court, Westerville, Ohio 43081. The zoning is R8 Restricted Urban Residential District. The applicant is Mohammed Abu Hashish. I said that correctly, right?
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh?
Yep.
All right, and I'm the case manager, Eric Moore, zoning inspector. This is a request for conditional use under section 312.32, child daycare more than 6 children, to allow to the use of a dwelling as a residence as provided in section 302.38. The applicable code section and conditional use allowed in a restricted urban residential district is section 312.32, child daycare more than 6 children as an accessory to the use of the dwelling as a residence. Board action can be approval, could be approved with condition, it could be disapproval, or it could be tabled. Post steps would be residential certificate of zoning compliance issued, the conditional use application approval or denial, and if it is denied, Franklin County Court of Common Pleas for the appeal. Some background, just to review what was previously submitted. The application site is in Sunbury Woods subdivision. The zoning for the site is a restricted residential urban residential, R8, per section 312.32, conditional use, child daycare, more than 6 children, may be allowed in the restricted urban residential district. The applicant previously submitted for a zoning permit for a child daycare for less than 6 children. That application was reviewed and approved on August 12, 2025. The applicant is now requesting a conditional use to allow for up to 12 children as allowable under the conditional use section 312.32. During the hearing on November 20th, the board continued the hearing pending additional questions about the type A daycares and to see what information is available. The board asked to see if any additional information could be gathered regarding other daycares in the township. There is currently 4 type A daycares that are operating within the township, less this particular applicant that we're going over. A letter was sent to all the daycares to provide information regarding the daycares that were identified as type A. Part of that included that we reached out to the fire department to see if fire inspections were conducted, as well as we searched past records, and we found the addresses that were provided by the applicant and reached out to them through that letter. And I can provide a copy of that letter. I've distributed a list of daycares, the license and type, including the fire inspections that have occurred. Additionally, the applicant provided a solution to traffic concerns. That was another issue that was brought up. He indicated he has transportation that could be provided to the children that are enrolled in his daycare. That's all I have for that continuation, unless there's any questions.
Okay. Does anybody have any questions for Eric?
All right,
Sounds good.
that's all I
Thank
have.
you.
Thank you. All right. Was there any new staff report that was sent to us in the email that I may not have gotten, or?
No, I did not send out a news, we just continued from the old packet.
Okay.
Just regarding the minutes and the questions that were asked, that's what I just included in the.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
I think I do have a question for you
Okay.
that you want to go back, maybe you should for, maybe council may have to, I just want to make sure, clear my thoughts on this.
Okay.
In this daycare operation, would you consider this, or do we consider this by definition a small business?
We considered a home occupation.
Is that different than a small business?
Yes.
Can you differentiate any?
Sure,
Well, it's a-
one's commercial, one's not.
Well, so it's a type of business
Okay.
that's treated as a conditional use. So you're gonna have your just general land use of business, commercial, but this is I don't disagree, it is a type of business, but it's also treated under our code as a home occupation. So that's how it's defined in our code.
And does it matter whether it's a business for profit or nonprofit?
No.
No.
No, not according to your code, nope.
Thanks, Pete.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Do we need to, did you want to say anything else about this, or do you want to?
Why don't you go ahead again, state your name, your address, and that you have been sworn in.
My name is Mohammed Abu Hashash. I live in 6341 Shoei Court, Westerville, Ohio, 43081. I swear to tell the truth.
Okay.
Yeah, I was telling you last time about like the cutoff. I see my neighbor doesn't like that. So I went to talk to my wife because like I'll be like me and her as a teachers in the daycare. I took approval from all parents I have about transportation. I took state and county and my specialist to do the transportation. I did all training and I submitted. I was passed all trainings to do the transportation. So I sent him an email, I think on Monday, that I can do like all transportation from and to the daycare. So my neighbors doesn't see like any traffic or so.
And would that apply to, right now you have up to 6 children, and you want to go up, be able to go up to 12, would that apply
Right.
to new children also?
Yes, like the whole point is I have like a parent with 4 kids.
Oh, so you have somebody lined up?
Yeah,
this is-
it's,
okay.
it's like the same parent, like I
Okay.
have 3 parents, one with 4, one for 1, one for 1. The one with 4, she's pregnant, so I don't want to lose her, like I have her like since 2 years. So, yeah.
That's going to alleviate the concern of the neighbors for drop-off, number of vehicles dropping kids off and picking them up and everything, by just having transportation provided by you to do
Right.
that? Okay.
I think we heard from them, traffic and parking was there.
Yeah,
That was their main concern.
right, right. Yeah, most of them said that you haven't been there that long, just a few months, I guess, from what.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I left in July.
Okay, so you haven't really created any horrible situations where, you know,
Well, I didn't have any problem with anybody.
Okay.
When I get there, they come to, like, I don't know, like, I have to have like a zoning
Mhm.
application with the Blendon Township. So they come to us, they said like, you are operating a business, like a child care business in your home. So I was like, yeah, my wife like said, yes. They was like, oh, you have to have a zoning, like application submitted before you do. I like come and make like the application. I don't have like any problem. I like with everything, like not even the, like the neighbors after that situation. I went to everybody. I bring them like a whole like suite from like our traditional. I went to each neighbor and give them, and like I told like my apology to them if like I make any mistake, or like even parents make any mistake. I always tell parents like don't go like over 5 miles per hour, because like there's children, there's,
Right.
it's like, yeah.
have you thought about, or requesting a sign put up, the caution, slow down, caution children ahead or anything like that? But you know, your kids aren't going to be playing out in the street anyway though, right? Okay. Have you thought about taking your businesses and moving them to another location outside of maybe Blendon Township or whatever, but then you lose your clientele and everything, being able to get to the, something like a farm someplace, or something with a lot of acreage, that you don't have problems with the neighbors or, you know, parking situations or anything along that line, but you're in, I'm just, any thoughts in the future about maybe even expanding your house so that you can accommodate more kids?
well, like as a home, like in-home daycare.
Right.
Like the most you can do is like 12 kids.
Okay. Right.
Otherwise, you would be like a center.
Yeah, I think we talked about last month about, we were talking about opening up or locating a building that's closed down or something like that, and maybe operating the daycare out of a building.
Right.
And you mentioned something about having staffing issues or.
Yeah.
Okay. I understand that. Okay, I don't have, anybody else have any other questions? for
I
Bob?
just have a question. What is the difference between a type B and a type A? Is it the amount of children that are there, or is there something else that's
Now,
Yeah.
it's just like the amount of children.
just the amount of children?
Yeah.
Okay. So the type B would be 6 and the type
Type A would be
A of 12.
And there are age restrictions within those classifications.
Is there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all regulated by the state.
Okay, it's all right.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's right.
Yeah,
Okay.
the cook just has to double the recipes on the food that everybody gets prepared.
Thank
Got
you.
12 mouths to feed instead of 6, so.
Forgive me, I wasn't here last month. Question might have already been asked, but what are the hours of operation?
It's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay,
But I'm licensed for 24 hours.
okay.
Yeah, and
I'm
it-
gonna like, need to get some rest.
Absolutely.
Kids.
Does anybody else have any questions for Mohammed? Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I move that we take this meeting to the private deliberations.
Okay. Do you want to go ahead and make that motion?
Yeah, that was the motion.
That was the motion? Okay.
I second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Grab your papers and let's go. We're gonna come back. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Not that there's any place to go, but.
It's warm and dry in here.
Yeah.
No worries.
We got out of the car, or we got out of the house for the first time yesterday. You and Mrs. both?
We are back live, and the time is 6:39.
Right.
Okay, thank you.
Motion to come back from private discussion?
I second that motion. Motion? Emotion?
Aye.
Approve? All approved, say aye.
Aye.
Okay, we're back in session now. Thank you. Thank you, Mohammed, for your patience. We thought about dragging it out another 3 or 4 hours, but no, not gonna happen. You got places to go, people to see, and things to do, so. All right, let's go ahead and call for the vote, I guess. Is that what we need to do next, call for the votes?
Well, we need to
Make a motion.
Make a motion for approval of this application,
Conditional use,
with,
The condition that transportation for all enrolled children be provided by the applicant?
yes, thank you.
Yep.
Do I need to read that out?
No?
Okay, thank
That's
you.
the motion that's been made?
I second it.
Okay,
Second that motion.
all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Okay, motion passes.
Thank you.
Not a problem. Are we done then, or do we have anything? Oh, we will set the dates for the next, meeting? Okay, we're already.
We accepted the calendar, so.
I'm good with what Eric handed out before.
No. Zoning's good. They don't need anything else.
Okay, cool.
Motion to adjourn?
I second that, and, all in favor?
Aye.
Agreed. Okay, cool.
Thank you so
When
much.
are you leaving, Mohammed?